Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Okay, but before we open up our WhatsApp, let's make sure that when we open up the settings and when we scroll down into the Google, that we are logged into the same Google account that we have selected in the moment when we are creating a backup. Also, I will tell you that this video is for people who already have a backup created before. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to create that backup step by step. So once we have checked that we are logged into proper account, we can open up our WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, the app welcomes us. In here, select your language and hit on agree and continue. Click on allow, and now we need to type our phone number in here. When we do it, we need to click on next, and then we will have to verify it using one of two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message, or we can use the missed call function. In my case, I always pick the missed call because for me it simply works better and it's faster than the code from the SMS, but everything is up to you. Okay, so now I will type my phone number and I'll see you once I have verified it. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, something like that should appear: contacts and media. Now click on continue. Now allow for everything that pops out on your screen. Okay, now select restore from backup and click on continue. Now our chats are being restored, and also as you take a look, we can see on which account, from which account we are restoring a backup, and as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in the settings of my Samsung, so everything is properly. You can see that 12 messages have been restored. Now click on next. In here type your name. Also, if you want, you can change the profile photo if you click on that plus button. Now click on next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, also has been successfully restored on our Samsung. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.